Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VLC Media Player on your Windows 11 computer. First, open your Google Chrome browser or any other browser you use, and then search for download VLC. Now you can see the first page over here, download official VLC Media Player for Windows. So click on this link. Now I'll also provide the link in the video description, so it will take you directly to this page. Now you can see VLC for Windows over here, and then you can see download VLC. Now click on download VLC and it should start downloading. VLC has been successfully downloaded. Now let's close this, close our browser, and then open our download folder. So you can see this is VLC we just downloaded. Now double click on it and it should open up. Yes, select your language and then click on OK, next, 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 and then click on install. It should initiate the installation. So you can see VLC player has been successfully installed. Now we can click on finish and it should run VLC player. Now let's close this. So when we want to play a video, for example, this is the video I want to play, so I will just right click on it and then you can see open with VLC by default. So I will just open this video and it would select VLC player by default. So basically this is how to install VLC player on your Windows 11 computer. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.